Hello friends, myself Assistant Professor Kavita Padmawar from Arihant Institute of Teacher Training Pune. I am showing you two images. Look at these images. These are the images of two question papers, two types of question papers. What come in your mind while looking at these two question papers? Think about it. You must be thinking that these are objective type questions, these are descriptive type questions. Uh, which one is the easiest one to attempt? Definitely the objective type one. Many things come your mind when you look at these pictures. So today we are going to discuss in detail about the objective type test. First we will see what is meant by objective test. When the scoring of a test will not vary from examiner to examiner or time to time is called an objective test. Means if the test is conducted many times or if the test is conducted or assessed by various examiners, then also the score will be same. These tests are called objective tests. Answer is only one and specific, so marks will be either full or zero. Because of specific answer, one and only correct answer, if you write only correct answer, then only you will get marks, otherwise you will get 0 marks. That's why it is an objective test. Answer is either correct or wrong. Answer is in a word, in a number, or in a part of sentence. There are three different types of objective type test items. First is recall type, second is recognition type, and the third one is context dependent type. Recall type test, in this answer will be in a word, in a part of a sentence, or completion items we can take here. For example, we can take as what is the chemical name of vinegar. This is recall type question. Here answer is in a word. So these are recall type test items, objective type test items. Recognition type, in this type there we can frame test items in various forms like alternatives, match the pairs, multiple choice. There are 4 choices. Out of these we have to select one choice. These are called recognition type test items. Next is context dependent type. It is in the pictorial form. One picture can be shown and based on that picture you will have objective type questions, which answer will be a word or a sentence or what we can say, a number. So these are the different types of objective type test items. Now we will discuss about the merits of this type of exam. The first merit is extensive sampling. When we construct a question paper of objective type test, that time we can cover maximum syllabus or maximum topics from which we can construct test items. In essay type test items, the questions will be limited and the whole syllabus may not be covered. But this is the merit of objective type test test, that this extensive sampling means most of the topics or most of the syllabus we can cover over here. The second merit is objectivity in scoring. What is mean by objectivity in scoring? Means the answer is definite, whether the answer will be either correct or wrong. So if many evaluators if assess the test, then also the score will be same. The evaluators or assessors opinion will not be affect on the score of the test. That's why there is objectivity in scoring. Next merit is economy of time. To attempt, it saves time of the students. It saves lot of time of teachers as well for assessment. So it is economy of time, means it saves time. The next merit is elimination of irrelevant factors. What are the irrelevant factors? When we check essay type exam or descriptive type answers, that time your handwriting will matter, your speed, your fluency of expression, your presentation, everything will affect on your scores. But here these irrelevant factors will be eliminated. This is the merit of this type of test. Now next is incentive. It creates an incentive for pupils to build up a broad base of knowledge, skills and abilities. Next merit is it measures higher mental processes of understanding, application, analysis, prediction and interpretation. To develop these higher mental abilities, teachers have to construct objective test items in that particular manner, through which we can measure these higher mental processes. The next merit is high reliability due to objectiveness in the question. Because of objectivity, reliability of the test will be increased. Now these are the merits. It can be organized online as well. These are the merits. Now we will see what are the limitations of objective type test. Objectives like ability to organize matter, ability to represent matter logically, etc. cannot be evaluated. So these abilities we can evaluate through essay type or descriptive type answers only. This is the limitation of objective type test. Guessing is possible. If students don't know the answer, they will guess the answer and their score may be reduced or may increase. Chances of success may be reduced by the inclusion of large number of items. If students are not well prepared for the test, then their score may be reduced. The construction of objective type test items is difficult. It is difficult task for the teachers. It requires special abilities. It is time consuming as well. Printing cost is greater than essay type test, because when we frame a question paper of essay type test, there will be less number of questions, but for objective type test, there will be more questions for less marks. That's why the printing cost will be greater. Now, both the essay type and objective examinations can be used to evaluate pupils' achievement. While using this test, we must remember the limitations of both the types. When we know the limitations and merits of tools or techniques which we use for the assessment or evaluation, then and then only we can use those tools effectively. As a teacher, we must improve reliability and validity of the test. So, in objective type test items, it is more reliable and valid also. Now, how can validity and reliability be improved? So, while constructing the objective type test, difficult words should be avoided. An item should not provide clues to the answers. Answer should follow a random pattern. Means, if the answer of first question is A, the answer of second question is B. If there is certain pattern, then students will guess the answer. So we have to avoid that pattern. It should be random pattern. Avoid ambiguous statements. Your statement should be very clear and very simple. Quantitative rather than qualitative words should be used. So this is all about the essay, objective type test, which we can conduct effectively, and we can help students to evaluate themselves, as well as it gives feedback to the students as well as teachers. Thank you for your patient listening.